Hi first grade, this game is called High Roller. You can play it right on the screen, or you can use your slate and draw 3 boxes and the straight line, just like you see on the screen. So the way this works, you will need your dot die, so I have one here to show you how it works. So what I am going to do, put my pencil there. All right, so I'm going to roll the dot die 2 times. I got a 6, so I will write the number 6. Let me roll it again. I got 5. I will write the number 5. Now, I am going to cross out the smaller number. 5 is less than 6, so I am going to cross out the 5. I will roll the die one more time, and this time I got 4, so I will write 4 in the final box. Now, I need to find the sum or the total. 6 and 4 makes 10. So I add them together. My sum is 10. And you can use your number line or number grid to find the total. So then I would play another round and I would go to the next page and play 2 more times. We hope that you enjoy playing High Roller. If you play this on your slate, you can take a picture and upload it right on top of these boxes. Thanks first grade. Have a great day.